friends are going to draw a toy car.
Yeah, one of the toy cars you can get in and drive and ride around. We hope you're going to follow along. It's going to be a lot of fun. Do you have your drawing supplies?
Yes.
Yeah, we hope you do too. We're using markers, but you can use whatever you have at home or in the classroom. Yes. You also need some
paper.
Paper and what else?
Something to color.
Yeah. You ready to start?
Yes.
First, let's draw the ground. I'm going to draw a little curve or a line that goes across our paper. Yes. Then we're going to draw the wheels. Let's draw 2 wheels. I'm going to draw one right here, and we're going to draw a circle touching the ground. There you go. I love your circle, and I love that it's kind of small too. And we're going to draw another wheel over here. It's okay that our drawings look different, right?
Yes.
And it's okay if your drawings look different too, because the most important thing is...
to have fun and practice.
Yes, to have fun and practice. Okay, let's keep going.
Okay.
Now let's draw another circle inside of the first circle that we drew. There you go. Yes. Okay, now we're going to draw our car. Oh, let's draw one more circle. If you can fit it, we're going to draw one more circle inside. Okay, now let's draw a car. We're going to start here above the wheel, and we're going to draw a curve that comes down in between the wheels like this. Then we're going to come up and over the other wheel. Yes, keep going, and then up, over, and stop. You did it. That's an awesome line. Oh, and extra line. Now let's draw the front of our car. We're going to draw a line that comes up really high. Yeah, we're going to start there, and you can come up to, yes. Oh, yeah, that's awesome. And then we're going to draw the roof for our toy car, and then we're going to draw it curving like this. So we're going to go straight back, and then we're going to curve down, and then we're going to connect to this side. There's the shape of our car. It's awesome.
Yeah.
Now let's draw the bottom of the car, or the door, the top of the door that you get in. I'm going to draw it curving down a little, and then actually let's curve up like this, and then we're going to curve around and connect to there. So we could start here, and then we're going to curve down, around, and then up to here. Yes. And then let's draw another line right here for the front of our car. I love these toy cars. I wish I had one of these when I was a kid. You could get in it and then use your little feet to scoot around. Now let's draw a line right here. We're going to separate. The bottom of the car is red and the top is yellow. So we'll draw a little line there. And then let's also draw the part where you put the gas, the pretend gas.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we're missing a door. Let's add a little door right here. We'll draw a U shape that comes down and back up. What's our car missing?
Steering wheel.
Yeah, the little part that you hang on to and steer with. Although I don't think this did much steering. Okay, we're going to draw a diagonal line right here. Yes, and then we're going to draw another diagonal line right next to it. And then at the very top, let's connect with the curve. And then we can also draw a little diagonal line this way, so it connects to our car. Now let's connect our wheels to the car. I'm going to draw a little line here and also a line back here. And we did it! We finished our toy car, except we're not completely done.
We still need to color it.
Yes, this part will fast forward, so remember to pause the video at the very end so you can match our same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yes.
We did it! We finished drawing and coloring our little toy cars, and I love your drawings so much. Did you have fun?
Yes. I really like the extra stuff too.
You like the extra stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah, we added a ground, rocks, and also some grass. What else could our friends add?
A person inside of the toy car.
Yes, you could add yourself driving the toy car.
Yeah.
That would be awesome. You could also draw somebody pushing the car.
Oh yeah.
We used our Art for Kids Help markers. If you have the same set, we used 35 yellow, 15 red, and then we also used 54 green. And what was the brown color that we used?
Number 103.
Yeah, and then we also used CG1 for the rocks.
But remember, you don't have to use use our same markers.
Yeah, you could use whatever you have, like crayons or even colored pencils.
We hope you have fun drawing a toy car.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye!